Hello everyone, my name is Anthony and I'm a civil engineer by profession. Welcome to the channel where you get tips on civil 3D based on my experience, knowledge and also from those that I've worked with for the last 6 years. Please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create point groups in civil 3D. Let's proceed. As you can see, my civil 3D is already open and these are the points that I want to create a point group for. And in case you missed the previous video on how to import your points into civil 3D, please check on the description for the link to that video. Let's get started. Once you have your points, head to the Tools Space tab, then go under your project name. For my case, it's named as Project 1. Then go to Point Groups and right click on it. Click on New to create a new point group. To name the point group according to your choice, I will name it as Civil 3D Points and click on Apply. OK. Then go back to the point group and expand it by clicking on the plus sign. And now you can see your point group here. Creating point groups in Civil 3D is as simple as this. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video and also subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. And I will see you in the next video.